Nityanandam, everyone. I am here to share about Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, the rare living incarnation on planet Earth now. So many years, so many leaders know Swamiji, lovingly we call Swamiji, as a Hindu leader, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Nityananda, as a leading force for the living Hindus. I also want to share this recognition is given and acknowledged by the Hindu leaders, especially from the Akhadas, Hindu Akhadas, and recognized in one of the world's biggest spiritual event, Kumbh Mela. Pontiff of Hinduism participated as a young spiritual leader. At a very young early age, he already engaged Akhadas and the Hindu side of Hinduism, was honored by many saints and head of Akhadas in our public discourses and initiations that was conducted. And Pontiff of Hinduism led mass, Shiva home initiation, organized spiritual camps, and fed thousands and thousands of sadhus. Some beings, whoever comes to the camp, doesn't matter what race, religion, creed, every single being, Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism makes sure they got some food and initiation. An historic event took place where Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism was coronated as Mahamandaleshwar of Mahanirvani Akhada. And Mahanirvani Akhada is one of the oldest and the most prestigious Akhada. In Prayagraj, Kailasa camp served thousands through Annadan, yoga, meditation program, spiritual healing. Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism was revered as a key figure. Here are just few that I share and hear directly from the current Mahamandaleshwar just this year 2025.
हमारे सनातन के सबसे बड़े प्रहरी हमारे महामंडलेश्वर स्वामी नित्यानंद गिरी जी महाराज को नमन और प्रणाम करता हूँ। मैं महाराज श्री को याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ। मैं बेंगलोर में आया हुआ था और हमने प्रयास किया था महाराज श्री को हम जनजनी अखाड़े का आचार्य महामंडलेश्वर बनाएंगे, इसलिए हम बेंगलोर में गए थे। परंतु हमारे महाराज जी जो है, मैं समझता हूँ सनातन के सबसे प्रथम पुरुष आप हैं।
Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism brought Mahakumbh, the world's largest spiritual gathering, and it happens about 114 years once. Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, in spite of all the persecution and struggle and building a new nation, he brought this Mahakumbh to world outside of India, to worldwide, for the whole humanity to enjoy and benefit from it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for listening. Nityanandam, do not miss the rare living incarnation, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam.